What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to make this video short and sweet because I value your guys' time. If you guys are holding AMC GME, drop a like. There is a lot to talk about. I'm going to try to cover as fast as possible, and hopefully we are in for a very exciting day tomorrow. So we must hold, guys. We have to hold these levels. We've been talking about it. The short ladder attacks, for those of you that just hopped on or are not aware, hedge funds are making these stocks cheaper by placing lower and lower bids, which drops their price. How do we know this? The number one most active indicator that is not a lagging indicator like the exponential moving average, here you see the blue line, or the simple moving average you see, which is the yellow line, is volume. Volume is the most active. Look at 2 weeks ago on Friday and on Monday, you can see these volume spikes on the days on when it went up, and that following Monday when it pulled back. See these volume spikes compared to Monday and Tuesday, which we dropped even more. The volume is nowhere to be compared, and today we still have very little volume, but most importantly, we held the $90 mark we were talking about. As you can see here from pre-market Monday, we've been pulling back, still under the EMA. Now we've been holding on the EMA. This is probably one of my favorite trades and favorite plays, similar to, I'm gonna compare it really quick to, for you guys on Twitter. So on the 4 hour here, you can see here we were under the EMA. Twitter found some support around 46, and then it's been breaking up since then. It's at 54. So for GME, AMC, I'm trying to play the similar strategy. As you can see here, we're down under EMA. We found some support, and I'm expecting to move. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. I want to move back to $200. Not only this will instill a lot of confidence, but it would also push up AMC, which, if you're not aware, they're both correlated. So I don't technically like when people say, oh, I want GME to come down so people could come to AMC. No, they're both correlated. As you can see, people have been comparing their charts, and they are very darn similar. AMC's actually tested the EMA here, unlike GME, which has not. But also, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has called a meeting with the SEC, the Federal Reserve Board, the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to address the recent market frenzy involving GameStop. So they're going to be looking into this. I know they said they were surfing Reddit and the social media to see if they can find any proof. But I think that is just a lot of the scare tactic that is being deployed right now. I know on social media they're trying to distract the attention from GME and AMC and take it as silver, which I think is just a smart move on their part. But we just have to keep our heads focused and still hold. And if you can, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but like Mark Cuban said, if you don't need the money, just hold it. As for the short interest, I'm seeing a lot of numbers from Seeking Alpha. The short interest on GME is at 131.76, which actually came down from 151 a couple of days ago, but it's still pretty darn high at 131. AMC short interest on Seeking Alpha is at 1592. Here is another one off a website. It's called highshortinterest.com, I believe. GME is showing 121, so it's pretty close to 131. And here's the big difference on AMC. 15% on Seeking Alpha compared to 78. That's a big difference. So if that is true, we are in for a massive short squeeze. And like I said, it's still holding these levels, and this looks to me like a head and shoulders pattern. So I'm still expecting that move on GME and AMC to follow. So for AMC, I'd expect at least a $12. Again, just my opinion on that. Also, this also affects, so I know when I first started trading, I didn't have the biggest portfolio. So what would I do? I'd go to penny stocks. Why? Because I could buy more shares. Same thing situation here. I think that is also going to affect the psychology of trading. AMC is cheaper than GameStop. More people are probably going to buy AMC than GameStop. Just keep that in mind. Also, in the news, 30 class action lawsuits on Robinhood. Again, if you're trading still on Robinhood, please leave the broker. I love Robinhood. I got to give them respect. Why? They changed the game. That's the reason I'm able to trade commission free on Thinkorswim. This is Thinkorswim, their platform. TD Ameritrade, this is their software called Thinkorswim. That's why I'm able to trade for free, because of Robinhood. Got to give it credit where it's due, but there's a lot of shadiness going on, so I don't use Robinhood anymore. And we've mentioned there's a technical correlation between GME and AMC. And we've also compared yesterday how is different from the Volkswagen short squeeze that happened in the past. More people in the markets. There's a lot of people that just got introduced to the stock market in January. That is going to change the game. And social media, which blows up out of proportion the hype in between these stocks. And like we mentioned, there's a lot of distraction going on in the media, buying silver, and I keep getting notifications. I keep seeing this everywhere. They're trying to pump it out to make it seem that GameStop is crashing and is falling. And I keep seeing the GameStop is down 50 per this, and this. So I think that's all to cause distraction. So if you guys found this video helpful, I really appreciate if you guys left a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. First thing down below, guys, for our Discord. Thank you, guys.